In today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be showing you how to make good entries, how to read candlesticks, and how to make this 5-second strategy to perfection to get a 90% win rate to make good money off of pocket options. What's good, YouTube? My name is King Latta and you're watching Black Investors Group, and over here on this channel we do teach you how to make money the easy way, how to make passive income, how to make money in crypto, and I do have a lot of trucking videos over on the channel. I have started up a trucking business at the age of 19 and have been financially free ever since, and now I'm more deeply into the trading community because I can make money from home completely easy and make over $1,000 a day. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can make $100 to $1,000 or even $5,000 a day if you really perfect this method and stick to your intuition, guys, and don't let your emotions control you. So before we get into the video, I just want to go over a couple of things that most traders make mistakes on, guys, and I do have a full step-by-step video on these methods, but a couple of points I want to go over with you guys is, one, your emotions. And this is the biggest way a lot of traders lose their money, especially beginner traders that barely have any experience. Traders will let their emotions control them. So what I mean by this is that, say you're going into a trade, right, and you lose that first trade and then you lose again, so now you're trying to make back what you just lost. Your brain is going all everywhere, and now you're just placing dumb trades that have no strategy at all. And guys, this is the absolute no-go. You always want to stick to your rules. You always want to stick to your strategies, because I'm telling you, the minute you go away from the rules and your strategies is when you lose. So what a lot of traders will do is that even if they make 2 trades correct, guys, they'll probably double up because they're happy and they think that, you know, they're on a roll, so they'll double up and boom, they lose. Now they just lost all their hard work and all their time, because now they're back at a negative profit. Because if you don't know, pocket option, guys, has only a 92% payout. So if you're trading with $100 and you win, you're only getting paid $92. So if you place 2 trades, you just spent $200 and you've only won one of those trades, you're still only winning $92 back. But besides emotions, you want to have a strategy. So this is why this video will help you. Make sure you stay to the end, because you want to get this good 5-second strategy down packed, and I'm going to show you on a live demonstration how this 5-second strategy works. Stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Now I know that intro is like extremely long, but guys, before we start the video, I do want to make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We do offer step-by-step tutorials, ebooks on how to become a successful trader, how to make passive income, and even how to start online businesses and how to grow your social media fan bases. Guys, I have a lot of practices, so I teach all of my practices over on the Latta ebook store, and I also have a bunch of more useful links in the link in the description. Also, if you guys want to reach out to me for a one-on-one conversation, you can book a coaching call with me in the Calendly link in the description for $10 for a 10 to 30 minute conversation. I will answer all your questions about trading, starting up a business, and even if you want me to, I can start your online store or your business completely, everything done for you. That sounds good to me. If it sounds good to you, make sure you like this video and comment any questions you have. Back to the video. Woo! Woo! That was a lot to be said, man. That was a whole bunch. But I hope you guys do go ahead and check out those links. But for a third point that I want to go over that's very essential to this trading is to make sure that you're trading on the right time frame. So what I mean by this is that you have time frames. You have the 1 minute time frame, 3 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, all of these time frames, guys. And you want to make sure that when you're scouting, when you're scalping, whatever you want to call it, when you're charting, going through these charts, you want to make sure that you're looking at the right time frame and that you're starting from the higher time frame and working your way down. Because if the higher time frame is on a downtrend, but you go down to, like, let's say a 1 minute time frame and they're on an uptrend, more than likely you don't want to place a trade to go down, you might want to go in the up direction, since that's what it's doing on that shorter time frame. A lot of trades can be missed because people are looking at the wrong trends due to this time frame issue. So with this 5-second strategy that I'm about to go over, you want to make sure that your time frames when you are charting are on 5 minutes. You want to start at 5 minutes, then you want to go down to the 3 minute, 2 minutes if it's necessary, so you can get very accurate decisions. And then for entries, guys, you want to look at the 30-second time frame so we could get the most accurate. Now beware, there are a lot of different 5-second strategies, so I will be making more videos on a couple more different 5-second strategies, but this is the 30-second time frame 5-second entry strategy. Let's get right into it. Woo! You see, we have a chart pulled up. We got GBP, JPY, that is Great British Pound, and the Japanese yen. And as you can see, we are on a uptrend. But like I said, guys, this is the 10-second time frame. You want to make sure that you are looking at, you know, the 5-minute time frames first when you are scouting these charts. So what you're gonna want to do for this strategy is pretty much anytime you're trading, you want to find a clear trend. So right here, this isn't so much a clear trend because of the fact that we have, you know, a lot of candles resisting, support and resistance. That is a very good support and resistance right here, guys. We come down a little bit and now we're on our way up, but it's not a clear trend from the past of what it's doing over here. So we're just gonna keep going through our charts, guys. And as you can see, I got favorites up here. You can add favorites just pressing this star right here if you don't already know so. And right here on NZD, Japanese yen, we do have a W formation. So if you don't know, a W formation means that the chart can shoot all the way up, or either it can go all the way down. Same thing for a M formation. So let me show you guys a M formation if we could find one on a 5-minute time frame. As you can see right here, we have another W, guys. This is a beautiful W right here. We didn't necessarily go all the way up, but we just might go all the way down. And let's just test out our theory on this. Let's go to the 2-minute, and we coming down some more. But as you can see on the 2-minute time frame, we have a W, and we did go all the way up. The chart did shoot up, and maybe on the 1 minute you will see even more of a shoot up. It's a W right here, but it's just less formed, but we still have a major uptrend after that W, guys. So let's just go to the 3-minute. Now I personally like to chart on these 3-minute time frames on this 5-second strategy when I'm getting into it. So we have a clear W right here on Johnson & Johnson OTC, and we're actually coming down on this 3-minute pattern, and we have a big candle. We have a big red candle right here, guys. We have a big bullish candle. So let's just see what this next green candle is doing. And as you see, guys, it is a lot of support and resistance. It probably started down here, now it's going all the way up. Now we're back in the middle. Now we might go down a little bit more. So this is when you don't want to place a trade, guys, because it's too risky. You want to get yourself a clear trend. So right here, boom, we have a clear trend on the European dollar. We have a clear trend on the European currency, clear downtrend right here, guys. But as you can see, we are coming up. So let's just see what we are doing on the 30-second. And like I said, this is where you want to place your trades at. And so on the 30-second time frame, we are having a nice up. So with this strategy, the method is to watch for the first 5 seconds after the candle opens. You want to see if it's going in the up direction or the down direction. You just want to watch even after the 5 seconds. So now we are on second 15. The candle is trying to shoot up. As you can see, we might be going up because we only have one red candle and all of this green around here after the downtrend. And on the fractal indicator that I have, you do see a fractal right here, and I will teach you guys all these indicators that I'm using at the end of this video. So right here, guys, we have green, red, green for the first 5 seconds. And for this method, guys, these are the rules that you need to follow. If you see green, red, green, or red, green, red in the first 5 seconds, don't place a trade, okay? Don't place a trade because it's too risky. It's gonna keep bouncing up, and in 5 seconds, your trade can be lost in just 1 single second. So When it's green, red, green, don't place it. So now we are opening up on a new candle, and we're going in the down direction first 5 seconds. So we're gonna place a down trade right here, and let's just see if it works, guys. And as you can see, we have our first win, because in the first 5 seconds it was all the way red, it was going down, so we placed a trade for the down direction in those first 5 seconds. So let's just see on this very next candlestick if it'll work, if we can get a clear direction. If not, we are not going to place a trade. So now we have a new fractal that opens, meaning that it's going to go to the opposite direction more than likely. But like I said, guys, we had green, red, green. We did start off mostly green, so I would have probably picked green, and it probably would have won, seeing at the 20-second mark that it was, you know, right there on the green. But let's just take it slow, guys. Like I said, you want to follow your rules. Green, red, green, red, green, red. You don't want to trade. So we have green, 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 green. We're in the green, guys. And now I may have been a little bit too early, because it did switch to that red in the last second of me placing the trade, and as you see, we lost. So it still shot back up within just 1 second. So like I said, I was 1 second too early, and that's where I messed up. That's how I lost, because it shot back up in just 1 second, and we've been green ever since. So on this next one, let's just see, we got red, 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 and it's a big green candle right here. So we're gonna put the red, guys. We're gonna put a put option because we went up a lot, and boom. So what I did, the process of what I did right here is, you know, you want to still look at these candles and the previous candles. Just because, you know, it's green, 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 you don't want to place a direction, a trade in the green direction. The previous candle was a big green candle, because, you know, support and resistance, it could always shoot back down for that resistance, guys. And as you can see right there, we had a good nice size green candle, so I just knew it was gonna come back down. We have green, green, green. Let's just see if we can go up, guys. And it just failed, because, guys, check me out right here. I just told you, you want to trade on clear time frames. So we have a lot of support and resistance right here. As you can see, these candles are very short. So we have won 1 out of 3 trades. Over here on a different chart, guys, we still have a lot of support and resistance right here, and we have a big red candle, and it's trying to make its way back up. So we're just gonna maybe this one will probably go down in the next candle, just depending, just looking at what it's doing right here, guys. It's trying to go up, and it's going up on this candle right here. So let's just see in the first 5 seconds what we got. We got an up direction, so we're just gonna go ahead and place the up. And this is where risk management comes in, guys. Once you win a trade, we are trading $10. Once you win a $10 trade, for that next trade, you want to only trade, you know, $9, because as you can see, we're only profiting $9.79, because it's a 92% payout. So you want to, you know, even though you will lose your next trade, if you lose, you will still be in profit of $1. If you trade $10 right here, you win that trade. So we're going down, and we're gonna keep going down, and as you can see, we won. So like I said, for risk management reasons, guys, you want to put this back to $9. So even if you lose your next trade, you will still be in profit of $1 or $10, depending on how much you're trading. But this is pretty much the strategy. Let's just see if we can get one more right here for the video purposes. We are 2 out of 3 right now, and let's just see if we can get an uptrend. Boom. Now it did go up, but it shot up, guys. Boom, and we won. So right there, I kind of was hesitant, because as you can see, we have a big red candle right here, and then it shot up as soon as that 30 seconds started. As soon as that candle opened, it shot up. So normally when it shoots up real fast, it'll shoot back down in like 4 seconds or so. So I kind of hesitated on that decision, because I probably thought it was gonna go back down, because we are on a downtrend. But like I said, that first 5 seconds is what you want to pay attention to, and this is a 90% win rate. So just follow your rules, follow those first 5 seconds. Don't trade when it's red, green, red, And always, guys, go with the trend most of the times, guys. Most of the time, the trend is gonna win unless you see obvious indicators, obvious signs of something that was taking place. So thank you for staying around to the end of this video, and now I will show you the indicators that I use. And I do use a moving average. I use 2 moving averages, and these 2 moving averages is this green line right here that you see and this red line right here, and these are the settings for that. So you want a 4 SMA on one of them, and then you want a 9 EMA on another. The zigzag is the trend, guys. It's this yellow line right here, and this is the settings for that. And then you want this Keltner channel so you can see where these candles are moving, what these candles are trying to get back to. So once these candles are outside these blue lines right here, this blue chart, these are my Keltner channels. Outside of it, it's gonna try to, these candles are gonna try to reach these Keltner channels. It's gonna try to stay in that boundary. So we have that Keltner channel, and then this fractal on period 2 is just showing you guys the momentum, which way it's gonna shoot back down or up. And then we have this parabolic SAR that I just added. These are the settings for that, and this shows you the amount of candles that's starting for the new trend. And this is for another strategy that I will show you in another video on a different day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please smash that like button. We make money over here the easy way, so subscribe to the channel so you can get these, so that you can start making this passive income and start investing the easy way. Until tomorrow, this is Black Investors Group. We out.